Goldfish by Jane Remover. The key to this is the tuning. That's your low string. String 5. String 4. Okay, that's your G string, string 3. So it makes those are the only strings we're detuning. It's like between like a C sharp and a C. It's like in between. Something like that is so open. Fret 4. Five. And then I just like slid up from a 7 to 9. So you're probably having trouble because the tuning is real weird. But once you get that, then you can just bar the top 4 strings. You're just kind of hitting the bass string and then playing like the strings 4 and 3. All right, thanks for that request. Hopefully that helps.